shocked. I remember there was a time she was the face of like a big alcohol brand, right? And they weren't renewing her contract. So she slept with like the brand manager or one of the top guys. So they renewed her contract for the
you see, you had files,
face.
Mossy.
You had files.
You had files.
Yeah.
She was the face of an alcohol brand.
Yeah, very expensive one.
A whiskey.
Champagne.
There's so many stories going around because even with when she was, well, apparently also allegedly is that she was cheating with her the ex-husband when she was with Kune. Because that's another story I heard.
Oh, when she was with Kune,
yes.
the richer nigga was
the
Mr. Jones.
Yes, Mr. Jones. That's
Jesus
another.
Christ.
Gee,
Yeah.
it's wild.
And one of the DSTV bosses, you see now, like, it kind of goes in the whole story. Like, she also was cheating when she was cheating on the husband. She was with a DSTV boss.
Hey, man.
One of the
Kumnandi
DSTV
car.
executives.
Wait. What? This TV boss?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's wild, bro.
So now, this is not nice, man, you know, 'cause especially when you think like how some people always get gigs and whatnot, you know what I mean? I don't care who they sleep with, but when you hear now bosses of channels and you know, then you look back
that's
at
how
the
she
work.
got, well, they're saying apparently that's how she got, her show,
Yes, and that's my thing, bro. Like, I don't hate it, girls. Like, listen, we're all hustling. However you get your money, it's up to you. It's your body. You can do whatever you want, right? But don't sell us a dream.
Let's put this shit on merit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, there's no difference between Minnie and Zoto Abantu. They're both selling pussy. One owns it, one doesn't. Do you get what I'm saying? And that's where my issue is. It's like, if you're selling pussy, just say, yeah, I'm selling pussy. That's how I get my shit. Kudos to you. Who are we to judge? We're not God. We're all hustling. We're all trying to get money.
But does she owe anyone an explanation, though?
Yeah, like, you see, like
She
for
does,
example,
because she paints herself as the saint and as this person who works hard for money. And imagine how many girls want to be like Minnie Dlamini or Mihlali.
And they don't
until they're
know
selling
the actual
false dreams.